Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. So today it's another day, Mother's Day. It's Saturday. I just wake up and I'm going to town. I just want one item. So my husband is not a romantic husband. He's not. He's not a man that is going to buy me a gift and surprise me. No. He's gonna ask me, what do you want for Mother's Day? And I'm gonna say air fryer. And he's like, let's go buy air fryer. And we're going to buy air fryer. Let me show you the outfit of the day. I'm a village wife. Because today I'm going to do laundry. In my plans, the only thing that I'm going to do today is breakfast, lunch, dinner for me and my husband. We don't have kids, and then I'm only going to do laundry. Last week I didn't do laundry for my husband. I only did laundry for the kids. So now I'm going to wash uniform with impahla zomyenam. Oh guys, it's winter and it's cold and in our washing machine, so I'm still using his another, but God will provide. Amphathisa phatha iplastic yodwa mna. Thank you.
20 rand kuya.
Okay. How much? After swiping, 10 kuvela abhalela baba. I don't know why. Vela lan available balance. Yeah, take this one. Let's drop this Tequini anti-blemish cream from the last Mosbandi Atengisa, and that's Mosbandi Atengisa. So business ngapa, personal life ngapa. Just put here in model. I'm back, guys. Sendichintshe endlela yothwala iqhiya because endleleni ndiye ndatsha ndayothula nebeya phansi. Jonga ke, this is what I have. Ndiphethe amanzi apha. Ekuseni I always wake up and drink water with collagen, and that is what is helping my skin to stay clear. Yes, I'm using products zakwaLast then. Ndiyazisebenzisa ii-products zakwaLast, ziyandisebenzela, but ndiyazincedisa ngamanzi ane-collagen each and every morning. Each and every morning you can add i-lemon. Mna ke i-lemon if ndisele kayi-2 iba enough because iba what's this? Ndiba ne-ulcer. Kuyatshisa ngo-25 and ndizawuhlamba ezi zilamba today. Let me show you what I got from Shoprite. Ne? Yes. I'm not gonna unbox them. Happy will. I got this bengayithenga, but hence could tell you, what do you want? I was like, can I buy this? Ndathenga i-heater asinayo apha endlini, sine-heater yegas, and there are times that andinayo imali and andinayo igas, so I might as well need i-heater yombane. I got myself an air fryer. Dala ndiyifuna wethi air fryer since December, but I was like, air fryer wethi ayihlukanga kwezinye izinto, but ndiye ndarealize uba i-air fryer ndiyidinga. So I bought myself an air fryer together with what is this? Air fryer parchment papers, that is amaphepha azo. Got them by Shoprite too. Got the fries because I want to show my husband how does the air fryer works. And then, and because of my Shoprite, guys, ndikazithenga i-fries ne-fish, and that was 999 rand, 1,000 rand clear. Went to Sparks. Went to Sparks, but nazi izinto ezingaphezulu zase-Fresh Stock. Got this inachi 1 kg okanye orange ne-lemon at 40 rand. And then I also got these sweet potatoes at 21 rand. Yes, as a Fresh Stop I spent 75 rand. And then as Sparks I got two avocados as a two. I got the liver and liver and inqathe lakhona, it's 30 plus, that's 40 rands. 40 rands. And I also bought the beef stew at 54 rands. And then I also got this beef rump steak. This man is steak Z2, Z3 at 83 rand. Espand says spele 200 rand. So that's the money that I spent today. Thank you to my husband. was spoiling me because kuye ndingumama naye omnye umuntu ozothi happy Mother's Day kumkhumo usemncinci. So that's it for me. Let's make breakfast. I also got bread from Fresh Stop, and then now let's make breakfast for hubby. Usavulela impahla, and that's it. What are you doing? Vulela impahla. Nazi impahla zethu. Love them down. If uzibona imoto ibhokhwe zalapha ziya apha into emnandi saziqhelisa imbona iibhokhwe zethu neegusha zethu. So if they see imoto just like our dogs ziyabuya kunje msizivulela ngoko sizawudlala zaba lapha around because there is a car. They know that utata wazi ukhona, and ke ngomnye nam unlike me akakwazi yena like we're still teaching them mos uba kutyiwe kuseni na late qha yena xa izibona unobubele ufuna uzipha. Let me make breakfast. In fact, I'm just gonna warm this qha. We are having some time off. Then my husband saying ukutya bekuzoba mnandi bese ukutya sesiyenzile washing. Sayenza njani? So yenza sibuye. I bought isibindi nje. We're going to do isibindi with this song okanye isibindi with ipapa. So chillax. Nakhona isibindi ndisithenge because ndicinge wena bendisibona nye intombazana isilandulo. Baby, nazi iviniki ezininzi. Azivakali? Eating izolo umyeni wam ebebheke ekhaya ebeka abantwana, and we got umbona. Ndiwupheka kanje ke sana mna umbona andikwazi ususa ubulembu. If that umntu uzawuthi xa ewutya awususe ubulembu zobe sene-patience mos ekangako. Doing laundry. Let me add this. Oh Jesus. Bombam abuyonto. Vale bombam abuyonto ngaphandle kwe-vanish. I always use i-vanish xa ndihlambe washing nesi istena, especially when I'm doing i-laundry yam. Istena sasebutshaqo. Then add isdaysoft for upura. So this is me and my laundry today. My boys are cooking for izinja and ndifuna bathi begqiba phaa ndibesenteni ndithi ndigqibe washing mna naba zinto ezi-white bona bebesegqibile bona because kulaa ndawo basakuyo ndoneka ngakhona. So I want them done. Let's do laundry together. Done with the laundry. Guys, I'm suffering with this breakout. I don't know when ndizayinceda ngantoni. Ndifake i-anti-blemish cream yakalazi. It's lunchtime kwam. And I'm eating umbona. Having this hearty meal. This is iliver yegusha nepapa. And for me to enjoy this meal, nditye ngezandla. So I washed my hands, but nditya ngeziphethe ngezifom. Oh, chulwe nje impahla ayiphendwanga. I'm tired. Otherwise, good night, guys.